Straw, wheat, corn, and other crop straws can be made into feed or fuel pellets, so as to obtain higher economic value. What are the key steps in straw pellet production? The first step is to cut or crush the straw so that its length is controlled below 30 mm. Yulong rotary cutting and grinding machine. The core components are made of alloy with good wear resistance and toughness. The disc cutter has high hardness after heat treatment, and the whole machine life is greatly improved.
The second step is to send the crushed straw into the dryer and control the moisture content within the range of 10 to 15%. Drum dryer is widely used drying equipment, can dry wood chips, straw, rice and other materials. The third step, after drying raw materials after unloading chacron pile storage, or used bin storage. The fourth step, the material into the biomass pellet machine for granulation. Yulong vertical centrifugal high-efficiency ring mold pellet machine combines the advantages of traditional horizontal ring mold and flat mold pellet machine, especially suitable for biomass pelleting. The surface of the press wheel adopts robot surfacing welding wear-resisting material, which greatly improves the life of the press wheel. The main shaft is thickened by 15%, and the new high-stiffness bearing structure is adopted. Compared with the previous generation of machine, the bearing capacity is doubled, and the failure rate of the particle machine is reduced. Shandong Yulong has served tens of thousands of customers for 24 years and is committed to creating maximum value for customers.